Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monday.com account. Whether you're switching to a different project management tool or simply no longer need the platform, this process will walk you through permanently closing your account in just a few straightforward steps. To begin, look towards the top right corner of your Monday.com dashboard, where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. It's your main gateway to accessing all the administrative controls you'll need for this process. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and select Administration. This section houses all the critical settings for managing your Monday.com workspace, including billing, user permissions, and account status. Clicking on Administration will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can control various aspects of your account. Once you're in the administration area, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here you'll find different categories organized for easy navigation. Look for and click on Billing. This is where all your subscription details, payment information, and account management options are located. The billing section is essential because account closure is directly tied to your subscription status. After clicking Billing, you'll need to select Overview. This gives you a complete picture of your current billing status, subscription plan, and any active payments or invoices associated with your account. It's important to review this information before proceeding with account deletion, as it helps you understand what you're closing and ensures there are no outstanding matters to address. Now comes the final step in closing your account. Scroll down to the bottom right corner of the overview page. Here you'll find an option that says Close My Account. This is the button that initiates the account deletion process. Click on it, and Monday.com will likely present you with a confirmation dialog to ensure this is truly what you want to do. This safeguard exists because account deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. When the confirmation prompt appears, you'll need to click Close Account to finalize your decision. By confirming this action, you're permanently deleting your Monday.com account along with all associated data, boards, and information stored within the platform. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Monday.com account. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any important data before proceeding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.